Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Mac model and Mac OS version so you know which tools to use. Once done, locate proof of purchase and the Apple ID email tied to the device. You'll need these if you escalate to Apple. Next, check for a firmware password. If present, note it or be prepared to remove it through recovery. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Without it, you cannot reach iCloud or activate recovery services. If you can authenticate, go to System Settings, Apple ID, then Sign Out. This is the cleanest path. If you cannot sign out, reboot into recovery mode. Use Command-R for local recovery or Option Command-R for internet recovery, then choose Reinstall Mac OS or Erase Disk Utility when instructed. After erasing, Activation Lock may still appear. If it does, gather proof of purchase and file a support request with Apple. They can reinstall Mac OS and proceed through Setup. This confirms whether the Apple ID and Activation Lock are gone. If Activation Lock still blocks you, contact Apple support with the Mac serial number and proof of purchase. This is the key to official removal. If a firmware password prevents recovery access, make an appointment at an Apple store or authorized service provider because they can remove firmware locks with ownership verification. Finally, if you run into errors, stay calm and follow Apple's guided steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.